In this video I am going to teach you how to knit the purl stitch. The purl stitch is the back side of the knit stitch. To start off, we will hold the work and the needles the same way we did with the knit stitches. We will hold the work in our left hand. The yarn will go over our index finger and we will hold it in place with our middle finger like this. And then the yarn could just drop behind the work. We will slide these stitches up to the tip of the needle. And now, instead of going through the front loop from this direction as we did with the knit stitch, we will go from this direction. So in both cases we're knitting in the front loop. So this is the front loop, this is the back loop, but from a different direction. So I will take my needle from beneath the front loop and the yarn will be over the needle, so you will have both the stitch and the working yarn on top of the needle. And now you're going to wrap your yarn around your working needle like so. And then I will use my thumb here to press the needle back through the stitch, like so. And then I will slip the stitch off the needle. So now we have knitted one purl stitch. Let's do that again. So the yarn will always be in front of your work when you do purl stitches. So now that we have done the first stitch, the second stitch looks a little bit different because our working yarn is now on top of our stitch here and not like this, like it were with our first stitch. So it will look like this. So beneath the working yarn, through the stitch, wrap the yarn around the needle, use your thumb to gently press both the needle and the yarn through the stitch, like this. And then we're just going to drop the stitch off the needle. One more time. Yarn in front of our work, needle beneath the yarn, through the stitch, wrap the yarn around the needle, use our thumb to press the yarn through our stitch, slip the stitch off the needle. And now we have knitted 3 purl stitches.